Slice indices have useful defaults. An omitted first index defaults to 0. An omitted second index defaults to the size of the string being sliced. The characters before index 2 for the Python string are P and Y. The characters from the beginning to position 2 and position 2 is excluded. The characters after index 4 are O and N, as you can see. Characters from position 4 to the end and position 4 is included in this case. And the characters after index -2 for the second last position to the end are O and N, and the position -2 is included, same as previous result. For non-negative indices, the length of a slice is the difference of the indices if both are within bounds. For example, the length of word 1:3 is 2. Attempting to use an index that is too large will result in an error. The word only has 6 characters, so we get index error string index out of range, because this string contains only 6 characters and the last index number is 5, and any number that comes after the index 5, it is out of range. However, out of range slice indexes are handled gracefully when used for slicing. As we can see here in this example, the characters between index 4 and index 42 are O and N, but the characters that follow index 42 are empty quotes, because there are no characters in the example word that we mentioned after this index, or this index itself even.